Hey guys, if we look at all the numbers between 0 and 9, what percent of those numbers contain the digit 7? It's 10%, and we can see that right here. That 1 out of 10 contain the digit 7. What if we look at all the numbers from 0 to 99? What percent of those would contain the digit 7? Here are the 100 numbers. We have all of these that have the 7 in the 1 spot, but we also have all of these that have the 7 in the 10 spot. This is 19 out of the 100 numbers, which ends up being 19%. What if we look at all the numbers from 0 to 999? What percent of those would contain the digit 7? Ends up being even higher than 19%. It's 27.1%. That's because of the ones place, the tens place, and also the hundreds place. As we get larger and larger groups of numbers, what percent of them do you think will contain the digit 7? If we look at 0 to 9,999, it ends up being 34.39%. And we can see the growth here. And if we look further down, you can see it keeps growing as we look at larger and larger sets of numbers. We can see right here that out of the first 10 million numbers, over 50% of them contain the digit 7. Isn't that crazy? And I put this together so we can see what happens as it keeps growing. So here's the first ones we looked at. This is it to 100 million. And then we can keep going and going. You can see it keeps getting larger and larger. And as we look at more and more numbers, it approaches 99.9%. This right here is the first 1 octillion numbers. So out of the first 1 octillion of numbers, 99.9% of them contain the digit 7. How exciting.